I was a summer student at ASIP for the 4 summer months, and I was specifically part of the health services divisions. So a lot of the tasks that I did involved manipulating data, gathering large sets of data, and analyzing it.
My internship was at Hudson, and I interned as a full stack developer. And throughout my role, my responsibilities were to implement new features or work on general bug fixes or enhancements on their social media marketing platform.
I was an intern at U of T Press. I gained a lot of inside knowledge about the book publishing industry. So from the acquisition level, where the editors try to sign the book with the authors, to the production level, where the manuscripts are sent off to the production process.
I think that being in an internship program gives you a lot of support when it comes to finding your first internship, especially when you don't have any work experience beforehand.
I wanted to participate in the internship experience because I wanted to apply the knowledge and theories I learned at U of T to the actual workplace.
The ASIP courses that I took really helped me kind of build myself up as a professional. So the courses really focused on teaching me how to write a well-crafted resume, how to write a strong cover letter, and how to best answer interview questions.
I was able to make a lot of industry connections and build my network out my work.
Joining ASIP is a great way to get a head start on your career and figure out what type of roles that you would want to work in the future.